Assalamu alaikum, how are you guys? I'm Aminur from New Tech, and today I'm gonna talk about how you can make awesome and creative logo for your personal work totally free and without any application on your computer. Some of the people already guessed what I'm going to talk about. I'm gonna talk about a free website through which, and by using a little bit of creativity, you can make some of the awesome logo that looks really nice and you can use for your personal work. So before we get started, I suggest you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we posted the awesome new videos. And if you have done that, thank you so much, and let's get today's video started. Okay, so for making the logo, we just came to the logomaker.com. I have give this link in the video description. So after you came to the website, here's the search bar where you can search for a logo, and all the logos are without name, so you can name them later on the below. So I'm just searching technology, and here as you can see you got bunch of logos like colorful and without color, just layout, black and white, 2D color, with one color only, and multicolor, colorful. I mean huge. So I'm gonna take this one because as my channel is technological channel, and I hope this is a processor or something like that. So just add a text layer, channel name new tech, and just gonna reposition it. Okay, 3D front. Wow. Okay, so they don't have much front for the 3D, so I'm returning to the 2D style, and wow, you got huge amount of front, and you can just change them and see the live preview bottom of your logo. It's really nice. Yeah, wow. Okay, yeah, I'm selecting this and repositioning. The repositioning system is really similar to the Photoshop. Okay, so adding another text layer for the make your life easy. Yeah, it's just a tagline if you have a tagline. So if you do have the tagline, then you can put another one here. Yeah, here's the tagline. Resizing it again because it should be small. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, the repositioning system is totally similar with the Photoshop. Yeah, really impressive for this thing. Now you can change the front color from here. The color changing system also really awesome. I really like it. And yeah, just color the tagline. Wow. Yeah, as you can see, here's the layers like Photoshop has. So here's all the layer that we used for this thing, and it's pretty much ready. You can also use another thing, another something like this, and now we're gonna crop it and just crop to the logo that we need, because logo usually a little picture. So for $19 you can download the high resolution of it. As we are not gonna paid any money, we want totally free, so just click here and download. It's really impressive because this website doesn't ask you for the email or something like this. It's totally free. You just design, and here is, as you can see, the PNG. It download the PNG format. So that is it for today, guys. This was just a video that how you can make logo using a website and without any application on your computer. There's another website similar to this one, and that was just a paid version. I'm gonna talk about that website more in my next video, so please go and check that video over here, the icon and somewhere on the screen. And yeah, until next time, assalamu alaikum.